How to download historical data from Yahoo Finance. I'm going to tell you how to download historical data from Yahoo Finance. First, open Yahoo Finance. Start by going to the Yahoo Finance website or finance.yahoo.com. Search for the stock or asset. In the search bar at the top right, type in the ticker symbol of the stock, ETF, or asset you're interested in. Then press enter. Navigate to the historical data tab. Once on the assets page, click the historical data tab located under the asset's name and chart. Set the date range. Select the time period for the data you want to download. You can choose from options like 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, a year, or specify a custom date range. You may also choose the data frequency and then click on download. On the right hand side, the data will be downloaded in a CSV file format, which you can open in Excel or any other spreadsheet tool.